Well, the graphs of productivity of the various of the major constituents like maize and rice show that we can, in the case of rice, we can have about 1 degree more warming, and then the yield goes down. So once we warm beyond another 1 degree, yields will go down, and yields are will start going down on all the major food sources at a time when the population's going up. And one of the frightening things, which statistic I dug out, but it's in a UN report, and it seems unbelievable, but it's predictions of population by the end of this century, and they do it by region, and this is an official UN report, and the predictions from most parts of the world are something like a 30% increase. That's pretty serious anyway, because we've got to find 30% more food. But Europe, the population will actually go down a bit, but Africa is going to quadruple, and this is going from sort of 1 billion or so to 4 billion. And Africa's already a continent which can't feed itself, and it's very dependent on food aid. For instance, American food aid, which has dried up because the maize that was used to send to Africa in the case of famine is now being turned into biofuel to power SUVs. So you've got a massively accelerating population, at least according to the UN predictions, in parts of the world which are least able to feed themselves. And then you've got a decrease in yields of all the fundamental foods. So the collision between those two is already starting to happen, and it will become more serious as the temperature gets beyond sort of 1 degree warmer than it is now, because that's when yields will start to go down.